guys, this is Lisa from Local King Rubber Stamp. Welcome to my channel. It has been a while since my last video. I am still here. Life has been so busy, I'm sure, same to you too. So because we are in the middle of a renovation, it's just start with our lower floor and now we are moving to the upper floor and I have to move all my stuff from my workshop and then reset everything in the basement. And I got some disturbed from some other things. So finally the moving part is done and my job is done packing all those kind of stuff, and then I am going to have some time. So try to catch up the gap to create a video because during the daytime the upper is under the construction is so noisy. So during this time, I still managed to finish a brand new background stamp for 2025, and then I also finished one special set for our 2025 March the workshop. Usually I will do two cruises a year, one is in Caribbean in February and the other one is August in Alaska. So there are no cruise scheduled for 2025, but I still want to do these two workshops. So I'm going to show you the set that I just designed. It's a pretty fun set to play with. So I know a lot of you guys that have no idea what a online workshop looks like. So I have decided I am launching. I'm going to upload the last workshop and I'm going to release the public so that way you guys can see. So it's going to be 3 hour workshop. You will receive a stamp set that I designed for that workshop plus the paper, all the paper cards you need, and you have to prepare the material. So when the day comes, I will send you the link and you can join me live, or if you cannot make it, you can watch the replay video after. So this workshop usually come with a stamp set, and I'm going to show you just in a second. It comes with the card kit, and they also come with a digital image. Since I'm semi-retired, they are not going to have a lot of metal dies anymore. So for my workshop, there is mixing with the digital image and the die cut and the stamping, the fun stuff. Okay, so today is actually November 10. Between December 5th and December 22nd, Nada and I will be away. So I was thinking I wasn't going to do a Black Friday sale because I was thinking I probably couldn't make it, but now the moving part is done, so I kind of have some time. So I have decided to launch a pre-Black Friday special bundle. It's a very good deal for from today until 17. So if you are interested to order this bundle, this is the best deal. It's even better than the Black Friday. But if you are not, don't order anything until November 18 because from November 18 to November 28, I'm going to have a Black Friday sales. Everything going to be 30% off plus free shipping on the order over $75 before the discount. So it's pretty easy with the discount. Probably your order just over $50, you can get a free shipping. The shipping is getting so expensive. This crafting market is getting harder and harder, and I'm still enjoy to create some stamp for myself to play and also create something for you to play. So I really try to keep the cost as low as I can. So let me show you what's this pre-Black Friday bundle set, and I really hope you like it. If you are looking for some Christmas gift for a friend, I think this is a pretty good gift for your friend or for yourself. Let me show you what it is. Okay, so the first one is a silent breakaway. I got this idea from our Alaska cruise. There was a lot of iceberg. Actually, there was a lot. It's too many, and then we wasn't able to close to the glacier. So that was the one. And then I have a lot of idea what I'm going to do with this awesome background stamp. So this is the first one. And then this one is called the Beneath the Wave. When you use it, you can decide you want to ink the diver and the mermaid, use it or don't use it. It's totally different, depend on you. So I will definitely working on the YouTube video to share with you guys how to use those awesome background stamp. The other one, Journeying into the Blue. So I think The new background, it will work great with our magic mushroom, and we will see. Okay, the other one is a quiet forest. Okay, and this one is the wings of the tropicals. And this one is called the Whisper of Autumn. And then when I design this one, because I want to make it sound like a falling leaf, but I have some space. I want to use this, so I put these fall in love and thanks for and the blast. You can decide to use it or don't use it. Just when you stamp it, you can don't ink it. Okay, so that's our Whisper of Autumn. This one is the same thing. Whisper of Pink is a cherry blossom. Is a really detailed drawing. It's a beautiful picture frame. And then, but in the middle part, I say that's west if I don't put anything. So I put a nice sentiment over there. So you can decide to use it together or separately. So that's what's look like. Okay. The other one is the Net of Memory. Okay, it's all red rubber. So they are at 8 brand new background stamps, and check or pre-Black Friday bundles is only $69.99 and free shipping. So I think it's a really good deal. I'm really trying my best to lower the cost, and especially the shipping is getting so expensive. The shipping is cost me $20 to $25 to ship from Canada to US. Sometimes it's very interesting. It costs me more to ship in Canada than US. So that's 8 brand new bundles, and the price is $69.99 after these pre-Black Friday. So after November 18th, they will come back to the regular price, which is $13.49. It's 50 cents more compared with the previous background stamp. And then, but you will get a 30% off discount. So average is going to be like a $9.50. So the pre-Black Friday bundle is the best deal, and make sure you check it out. It's awesome Christmas gift for your friend. And then they are ready to go. So I will process your order in 2-3 days. So if you are planning to order some Black Friday items, please send me an email, let me know, and that way I can hold it, your order, and send it together. That way will help me to save some shipping fee too. So that's the first Black Friday bundles, the 8 background stamp, and they are brand new. And then I finished one set for our 2025 March online workshop. I mentioned that I usually have two cruises every year, but next year we don't have any cruise, but I will still do the online workshop. So the workshop is that I will come up with 8 to 10 projects. We will use this set, every single image plus mix with something else to create a 3 hours online workshop. You will get this set. They are the rubbers, and then you will receive 8 to 10 paper kit. You will receive the digital image. Since I'm a semi-retired, it's going to be very limited to have the metal die cut. So the digital is in the future, and I will show you how to do that if you are thinking about to purchase a digital die cut machine. If you have the budget, I think that's actually a great investment. Okay, so this is the set. This is a wisteria. It's a beautiful flower, and this is a shadow stand. So it work well with the markers. And then we have this giraffe. It's actually pretty big stamp. So this time I kind of added some of the sentiment to most of the stamps, and this one, but when you stamp it, you can use it. You can ink it and use it, or you can don't use it. I have some great idea. I will show you how to use it. And then this hammerhead shark, the nail it, and then little leaves to go with the giraffe, and little crow with go with the or shark. And then some of you guys, when the people who was on my Alaska cruise, I took them to Gross Mountain and we saw the bird show. So I got this idea from one of the bird, the bighorn owl. It's awesome, and then so I come up with this idea so we can have this is awesome to use the markers to do it. And we have a new panda. Most of you guys know I'm the panda lover. So, oh shoot, you are so cute. And then there's a bamboo here. So got an idea for our seal. So we saw a lot of seal in the Alaska. So seal is a kiss. And this one, capybara. Have you seen this animal? I saw this capybara last year when I was in Japan. Those animals, they are so lazy. I think they are more lazy than panda. They have a very comfortable life. They don't really like to move, just like me. They like to eat, and they actually like a hot spring. I saw them in the hot spring. They just like soak inside the hot spring, and they don't move. They are so cute. So and then we have this big food boogie. Very interesting name, right? I saw this one in the Iceland, and we did Iceland cruise in July, and then those bird, their feet is really blue like this color. So they're kind of weird, but I think they are nice car. They can make some nice car. So you have a 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. They are 13 stamps for this set, and then we will use the we will use every single one to doing our workshop. So I know a lot of you guys are probably very interesting to sign our workshop, but are not sure what the workshop looks like. So make sure you click the link below. I have uploaded our last workshop to the YouTube channel, so that way you can get some idea how this workshop goes. So that's everything for today, and Christmas is just around the corner, but I'm sure I will see you online before I say happy holiday and Merry Christmas. So the pre Black Friday bundle set is start from today until November 17th. $69.99 plus free shipping to US and Canada. For international customers, please send me an email. I will override the system. I will pay 50% shipping fee, and you only have to pay 50% shipping fee. You can still order Local Kings product, and I will still send it to you. It's just the international shipping is just getting so expensive. I don't have a room to cover that anymore. For our US customer and Canadian customer, it's the same thing. The shipping fee, everything getting just so expensive. And then I'm trying to do my best to keep the cost down. Okay, so that's everything for today, and thank you so much for watching. I am going to see you in the next video soon. This is Lisa from Local King Rubber Stamp. Thank you so much. See you next time. Bye guys.